Welcome back to Life and Fork. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make a broiled lobster tail right from your own house. So stay tuned.
Suck me in the smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking.
Okay, so broiled lobster tail is pretty simple. This is a Canadian lobster tail I picked up at Mariano's. I'm going to show you how to prepare that before we get into the broiler. I already have the broiler set at high, so you use your regular kitchen broiler, you'll be fine. So what we're going to do is take some kitchen shears or scissors. You're going to go split down the middle, cut. You're going to come across the side, cut sideways at the end. Now, you're going to take it, start peeling back carefully. It's sharp, so you gotta be careful. Pull, pull. You're gonna take your thumb, stuff it underneath, pull it up nice and gentle. You're gonna flatten, and you're gonna lay it out. You're gonna take your serving plate that you're gonna throw in. This is a hot skillet plate. It can go in at high temperatures. You're gonna put your lobster tail on. The important part is to spread the tail at the bottom so it stays nice and flat. Now, what I'm going to use is a little extra virgin olive oil on top. I'm going to take my kitchen brush and just lightly brush it in nice and evenly all the way around. This is going to give it a nice golden brown. And take my all-purpose seasoning, sprinkle a little bit, my kosher salt. And then for color, I'm going to do a little chili powder. You can also use paprika, but chili powder is what I'm using right now. Just a little bit. And a little bit of lemon juice. Now I'm going to throw it in at broil high. It's going to be about 4 minutes. All right, so it's been 2 minutes left on my timer, so it's almost time to check it. So like I said, it's on broil high, which means I'm going to use a towel to grab it and some tongs. Wow, gorgeous. So there you go, broiled lobster tail. Now to get it off of here, you gotta use your tongs. You're gonna squirt a little bit more lemon juice on top. Hit it with a little bit of pink sea salt. And just a little bit of black pepper. And there you go, broiled lobster tail. So you see how easy it is to make that. And if you saw last week's episode or next week's episode, there is going to be a steak being cooked. So that's how easy you can do like a surf and turf. So there you go. You can make your own surf and turf at home. But here's how you make an easy broiled lobster tail. Stay tuned next week for another episode. As always, hit subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss any future content. Love you guys. Till next week. Take it easy. Bye.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I find out.